welcome. Today we'll be making cheesy tuna empanadas. So here are the ingredients that you will need. For the empanada dough, you will need 2 cups flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 egg yolks, 3 tablespoons melted butter, and 4 tablespoons of water. First, add your flour. Then your sugar. Followed by salt. Mix it. And make a well in the center. Pour in your egg yolks, and your melted butter. Gradually add water and keep an eye on the texture of your dough. Remember, the amount of water you will use depends on the humidity of your place and how your flour absorbs water. When it forms crumbles, it can be kneaded. Knead the dough until it's all incorporated together, then form a ball. This will be refrigerated for 10 to 15 minutes for it to rest. For the empanada filling, you will need 1 small onion, diced, 1 can of original flavor tuna, 1 can of spicy tuna, 1 box of easy melt cheese, 1 egg. This will be our egg wash before we bake the empanada. Remember, you will saute the tuna and onion. Now your dough is ready. Roll it until you have the desired thickness of the dough. Cut it into circles. Since I don't have a cookie cutter, I have to use a glass. Repeat the process until you use all of your dough. In assembling your empanada, put in first the sauteed tuna. Followed by the cheese, and seal it with the fork. Repeat it until the remaining ingredients are all used. There is another method of sealing called press and fold. You press the edge of the dough and fold it, creating a beautiful design for your empanada. Now we are ready to bake, but first, let us mark our spicy tunas. And brush the empanadas with egg wash. Bake it for 20 minutes in a 200 degrees Celsius temperature. You can now enjoy your empanadas. Thank you for watching!